Hey, welcome to Just Chevy Trucks, folks. We're down here to Lee, New Hampshire with EFI Express. We just tuned out Brian Ashe's 6-liter. This has the Texas Speed Cam in it. We call it our Stage 2. We put some 42-pound injectors in it, and obviously we got to bump up the valve springs. So we got the Stage 2 springs in that, keep the valve float down. We're going to walk over here to see some dyno graph. It's a pretty good looking graph. And right there we got 407 horse, 5,700 RPM. Remember folks, this is at the hub, not at the flywheel. You can reach us at either one of these right here, so there's some sweet info for you, justchevytrucks.com or lsx4u.com. Again, Just Chevy Trucks. Thanks folks. Have a good day.